Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera not focusing in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start this video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then on top you can see the option app management. Now click on app management and then scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then click on storage use. Here you can see the force stop option. Now here you can force stop your camera. Now again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open camera. Now on top right corner you can see these three buttons. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now scroll down and here you can see the option restore defaults. Now click on it and here again click on restore defaults. After doing these steps your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.